Hi guys, you can see today the sky is clear, there is no clouds in the sky, but an aeroplane is flying over my head and cold air is blowing. That's why I'm feeling little bit cold, but don't worry. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to share another interesting story, so please stay connected until it ends. So without further delay, let's start. Long time ago, in a kingdom used to live a very young man who had difficult life. You know how every day he used to go out to find work and earn money, and by the evening used to return in his house to cook food, eat and sleep. In this way he was living in his life. Anyhow, he was not happy. He had difficult life, but he was unable to do so anything, and he was living in his life anyhow. Lots of time passed like this. One day he didn't find any job, and by the evening whenever he was returning in his house, on the way he heard some voices, and you know an old man said, and when he looked around, then he saw an old man who was carrying three bags. Then old man said, can I find any labor here? If anyone carry my one bag, I can walk easily with two bags, but this one is very heavy. If anyone carry my one bag, then I'll give him three gold coins. So that young man became happy and said, okay, I'll work for you. I'll carry your third bag. Give me your bag. As soon as he picked up his third bag on his back, he realized that that bag was really very heavy. Then he said, what's inside the bag? It's too heavy. Then old man became little bit nervous and he said, you know, inside the bag, inside the bag, so many bronze coins, and that's why I'm little bit nervous. Not nowadays, no one is good. I can't believe to anyone. But young man said to old man, you don't worry, uncle. You don't worry, uncle. I am labor. I'll work only for bread. Why do you think that I'll run away with your bag? I am honest and I don't believe dishonesty and theft. You can believe me. Then old man relaxed, and both of them started walking towards towards next village. Old man said, then old man said, I have to go. I have to go next village, which is little far away from here. You will have to come with me. And they were walking, and they were on the way. Then a river came on the way. Soon soon young man went inside the river. When he looked behind, then he saw that old man was standing at the bank of the river. Then young man asked to old man, what happened, uncle? Why are you not coming? Why are you not crossing the river? Then old man said, what may I say, my dear son? I have two heavy bags, and I am too old to cross this river with two heavy bags. If you will carry my second bag, then I can cross easily, and in the return I'll give you three more silver coins. Then young man became happy and said, why not? I'll definitely carry your second bag. Soon he went up to young old man and carried his second bag second bag. But again old man was pretended that he is nervous, and he is little bit afraid. Then young man asked, "What happened, uncle? You look nervous. What happened to you? Why are you shivering?" Then he said, "What may I say, my dear son? Nowadays, no one is good in this world. Inside the bag, inside the second bag, so many silver coins, and and what if you will run away with two bags? Then what will I do?" Then young man said, "Uncle, I have told you that many more time. I have told you that before, that I am not those kinds of person. You can believe me. You can believe me, and you can walk with me." In this way, in this way, old man felt relaxed, and both of them crossed the river, and again started going towards the next village. They were walking, walking, and on the way again a mountain came. So young man, so that young man started climbing on the mountain immediately. But again, when he looked behind, then he saw that old man is standing on the ground. Then he again came up to old man and said, "What happened, uncle?" Then old man again pretended to be nervous, and he said, "What may I say? I am too old to climb on this mountain. If you will carry my third bag, then I can climb on the mountain easily, and in the return I'll give you 3 more silver coins." In this way, in this way, a young man became very happy, and he said, Today is my lucky day. Today today I'll earn nine gold coins. It's very good day for me." And soon he carried his third bag on his back and started climbing on the mountain. But he was climbing on the mountain very easily, very fastly, and when he reached on the top of the mountain, he thought this man had no remaining life, and he had so much gold, silver, bronze coins. He had so much money. What he will do? He has so much gold coins, money, and bronze coins, silver coins, everything. What he will do with this money? I am very young. If I'll get these coins, money, and everything, then I'll become rich. I can live my life luxuriously, and I can marry with a beautiful girl. I live my whole life happily, easily, and beautifully. Within this thought, he started running, and he ran away from there with those 3 full bags. Immediately he reached in his house. He was very happy. But when he opened the bag, when he reached in his house and opened the bag, he saw inside the bag there were only small stones. He was crying, and he was regretting on his mistake. But soon he saw inside the bag a piece of paper. He picked up that paper and began to read. And you know what he read? He read that I am the king of this kingdom, and I have no children. I have no children. If you will not run away from these 3 bags, then you will be the successor of this kingdom. But now you are not. I am finding honest person and young man who is completely honest and good for this kingdom. But you are not. You were greedy. You ran away. You run away with 3 bags. Now that young man was regretting on his mistake, on his action, and he was only crying. He had nothing. He had no 9 gold coins, and he had no money and nothing. Only he was regretting on his action. So friends, this was the story which I shared. We can learn from this story. We should always avoid our negative thoughts, and we should always do our work with honesty. Honesty is the best policy. So this was the story which I shared. You can see fog everywhere, smelling like hell. So this was the story which I shared. It's evening. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. I'll meet you. Bye bye. Take care.